Hey guys, this is Lloyd here. Welcome to my channel once again. First of all, I'd like to wish you each and everyone, all the internet people out there, a very happy new year. Since I was busy a little bit, I was not able to upload some videos, some contents due to my work, as I am not a full-time YouTuber, you see, and I work from morning 5 till 4, and after that I just get busy and tired, and that's how the life is. So today I'm come over here for the event of Dji Spark drone, where they have in Kuwait itself, and it's going to be an event where they're going to show us how to operate the drone, what are the features and everything, and how we can use it. So let's go and check it out.
Today we will talk about the Spark and its specification. The maximum speed of the Spark, it can reach 50 kilometers per hour in sport mode. It can reach 1.5 kilometers if there is no interference. The flight time is 16 minutes. And of course it has FPV, first person view. That means I can see real time the video I'm shooting on my mobile. خلال هذا الفيديو أنا ما عم بتحكم بالطائرة، أنا بس أعطيتها أمر سيركل وهي قاعدة تفتر بروحها. In this video I'm not controlling the drone. I just selected circle and it's circling around the object by itself. بهذا الفيديو كمان احنا ما عم نتحكم بالطائرة، هي اوتوماتيكلي بتعمل هذا النمط من الطيران والتصوير. Also in this video and all others, we are not controlling the drone, it's flying by itself. We just select the type we need of the intelligent flight mode. Okay, let's talk directly about the Spark itself. As you can see, it's very small, almost the size of a mobile. The Spark, I can control it either, as we said, by hand, or I can connect the mobile directly to the Spark and control it from the mobile, or I can use a joystick as a remote control to control the Spark. مثل ما احنا شايفين حجم السبارك جدا صغير مقارنة بحجم موبايل. السبارك مثل ما حكينا من شوي احنا بنقدر نتحكم فيها اما عن طريق حركة اليد، ممكن اشبك عليها الموبايل واي فاي واتحكم فيها من الموبايل دايركتلي مباشرة، وممكن اتحكم فيها من خلال الريموت كنترول. طبعا اذا انا عم بتحكم فيها باليد، مسافة التحكم هي حتكون ضمن 10 أمتار تقريبا، لأنه تعتمد على الكاميرا انها تشوف اليد أو الشخص اللي عم بيتحكم فيها. من خلال الموبايل عفوا من خلال الموبايل مدى الإرسال الواي فاي بين الطائرة والموبايل يوصل لغاية 100 متر وارتفاع 50 متر. بالريموت ممكن توصل لارتفاع 500 متر مقفول من الشركة من عشان سلامة الطيران المدني، وبيوصل الريموت مسافة أفقية مثل ما شفنا إنه لكيلو ونص وأكثر حسب الظروف المحيطة، إنه هل في تشويش أو لا. While we are controlling the drone, if I'm controlling it by hand, the range is only 10 meters because the camera needs to recognize the guy who's controlling it. If I'm controlling it by mobile, the maximum distance is 100 meters and the maximum altitude is 50 meters. If I'm controlling it using the remote control, The maximum altitude is 500 meters. It's locked by the software from the factory for the safety of the civilian airplanes. And the maximum distance it can reach more than 1,500 meters. The camera of the Spark can shoot a full HD video, 30 frames, and it's on a gimbal stabilizer, and a 2-axis gimbal stabilizer. كاميرا السبارك تقدر تصور فيديو بدقة فول اتش دي 1080 ومركبينها على مانع اهتزاز ثنائي المحاور على اساس انه ما يطلع اي اهتزاز بالتصوير. تقدر تصور فوتو بدقة 12 ميجا بكسل. It can shoot photos 12 ميجا بكسل. طبعا من ضمن منتجات دي جي اي الجوجلز او النظارات اللي هي مالت الفيرتشوال رياليتي، انا اقدر اشبكها بالسبارك واعيش تجربه كانه انا داخل الطياره. One of DJI products, the DJI goggles, I can connect the goggles with the Spark using the remote control, and I can live the feeling of the pilot as if I'm inside the drone itself.
The Dji Spark delivers a tiny lightweight design, excellent mechanical stabilized camera, USB charging and advanced features like gesture control and obstacle detection. It travels well and is great for aerial photos and video. While the competition relies on electronic image stabilization alone, DJI put the Spark Full HD video camera on a 2-axis motorized gimbal for smooth results without sacrificing image quality. And DJI took its gestures controls to the next level with the drone too. The bundle is a good value and worth getting if you think you might want to do more than quick flights for selfies. The Spark is a great choice if your main goal is to get cool dronies without limiting your opportunities to do more down the road. With the bright color shell, white, blue, green, red or yellow and tiny frame, the Spark greatly lowers the intimidation factor for new pilots. Having something small that out of the box you can fly without having to learn any real control whatsoever is a big deal to move the drone around. You hold up your palm to the camera and wait for the drone's front light to turn green. Then you can move your hand up and down to raise and lower it, and move your hand left or right to move it side to side. Give your hand a wave and a Spark will fly backwards away from you, and then start tracking your movements. Make a frame shape with your thumb and forefinger and it will snap a photo. Put your arm out to your side at a 45-degree angle with the ground, and you can start and stop video recording. Put your hands in the air in a Y shape and it will return to you. Put your hand underneath it and it will land on your palm. Now the bad flight time can be as short as 10 to 14 minutes. The app can be frustrating to use, especially on smaller screen, and you should expect to buy batteries and possibly the option controller. The bottom line, DJI Spark delivers all of the camera drone features most people will ever need in any impossible small package. Now, if you really believe it's the right fit for you, then go for it. Guys, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to click the bell icon. This is Lloyd signing off. Take care. Bye bye. See ya. Catch you soon in my next video.